46 is the magic number, not 30 or 50. It's 46. The number's silhouette floated before me. It was faint, but it floated up. The number 46. But be careful. I can't see it clearly. I'm the minister of the environment, so the environment is important to me. I don't think it would be good for things to go on like this. That's why I don't think it would be good for Japan to go on like this. In other words, Japan cannot go on like this. In conclusion, Japan cannot go on like this. Are you with me? Are you with me so far? Okay, great, fantastic, great.